Hey there, ZIK fam. We've got big news to share with you today. We're launching a brand new eBay tool. And here's the best part. It's available on all plans. Introducing the eBay Product Explorer. It's the ultimate tool to take your eBay game to a whole new level. Finding winning products just got faster, smarter, and so much easier. With this tool, you can retrieve any product that has sold a specific number of times in any eBay category without the need to conduct any product research. At ZIK, we're all about helping you grow your business and enjoy the journey. With this new tool, you'll have access to millions of eBay products and advanced filters that help you uncover best sellers to boost your profit. Ready to make waves in the e-commerce world? Let's dive in. You can find the eBay Product Explorer by clicking on this icon right below the spy icon in the left-hand menu. Once you click on it, you'll see the dashboard where you can apply powerful filters to refine your search and get the best product results. This tool is truly a game changer because it gives you more control than ever over the products you can discover. So let me walk you through the main filters. Search by keywords. You can search for products using specific keywords and even exclude keywords to refine your search. For example, if you're looking for phone cases, but you don't want Apple cases, you can add phone cases as your keyword and exclude Apple. This way, you'll receive results tailored to other brands. Choose the eBay marketplace you're selling on to get tailored results. Shipping location. Select where the product ships to, helping you target your buyer's location. The eBay buying format you want to receive the products you will get from this tool, such as buy it now, auction, and so on. Condition. The condition of the products you will receive, such as brand new or used. Sales date range. Analyze how the product has performed over the last 7, 14, 21, or 30 days to spot consistent sellers versus trending items. Sales and revenue. Focus on products that meet your desired sales numbers or revenue thresholds to find top performers. Price range. Set minimum and maximum prices to focus on high-ticket items or products within your budget. Other filters. This is where things get exciting. You can now choose to receive products from the Product Explorer with the option to exclude Vero and risky items. That means you're getting another layer of security when researching winning products for your eBay store. Now, let's talk about the other checkbox. It's designed to give dropshippers more control and a smoother experience. When you check the box labeled dropshippers only, a new column appears where you can select your preferred supplier website, like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Once selected, the tool will only show you products that were sold on eBay and sourced from that specific supplier. And if you want to get results from multiple suppliers, you can easily select more than one from the list. The second key feature is supplier item match. This lets you choose whether you want an exact product match from your selected supplier or a similar alternative. Choosing similar items is perfect for finding high potential products that aren't yet saturated but still match the qualities and quantities of products already performing well on eBay.
Select category. You can choose to get results for products that match your filters and come from specific eBay categories. Simply check the categories you'd like to pull products from. You can also leave the other filters empty if you just want to see which products are selling well in a specific eBay category.
By combining all of these filters, you unlock smarter insights, save time on product research, and make data-driven decisions to stay ahead of your competition. Now, let's run a scan to see the eBay Product Explorer in action. I'm going to apply a few filters to find some great results. First, I'll keep the shipping location as the United States because I want to focus on the best-selling products from Walmart.com. And if you want to source products from AliExpress, make sure that you set your shipping location to China. Next, I'll set sales to a minimum of 5. This ensures I'm looking at products that are already performing well. For the price filter, I'll set the minimum price at $10 to make sure I'm getting products with enough room for a solid profit margin. But if you're sourcing from AliExpress, you can keep the minimum price untouched, since AliExpress allows you to source products cheaply and still maintain a high profit margin by selling these products on eBay. Then under the other section, I'll check dropshippers only and select Walmart as the supplier site. And for the supplier item match, I will choose exact items. This way, I'll only see products that are being sold by dropshippers who are sourcing from Walmart, and the sourcing products will match the ones that are already being sold on eBay. Now, for categories, this is where you can really customize your search to suit your preferences. I'll pick some of my favorite categories to sell in, like clothing, shoes and accessories, home and garden, pet supplies, sporting goods, and toys and hobbies. And for extra security, I will check that I prefer not to receive products that are Vero or risky items. Finally, I'll hit search and let the magic happen. For this example, let's check out this item. Now, take a look at this product. Set of 10 6QT clear plastic storage boxes with gray lids. This is definitely a winning product. In the past 7 days, this product sold 7 times, and since the last 30-day sales are also 7, this tells us a new product on eBay, meaning it's only been listed for less than a week and it already made 7 sales. Now, here's where things get exciting. I see that it's selling on eBay for $29.99. And by clicking on the product finder, I can see that I can source it from Walmart for just $10.98. That means I can make an estimated profit of $13.91 per sale, as you can see. Also in the profit breakdown here. Not bad, right? Just to give you an idea of how successful this product is, these plastic storage boxes brought the dropshipper over $91 in profit in just 7 days of selling. And that's after eBay fees. That's the power of finding the right product and having the right tools to guide your decision. With the eBay Product Explorer, spotting winning items like this is easier and faster than ever. What I love about this product is how perfectly it aligns with the kind of items I sell in my eBay dropshipping store. And the best part? All of this is possible because of the incredible control I get over my product searches with the eBay Product Explorer. This tool is truly versatile. It's ideal for beginner sellers who are just getting started and need to carefully select a few winning products for their store. And it's just as powerful for pro sellers who need to scale their business by adding multiple new items to their dropshipping stores every day in seconds. Now that I've found this great product, the next step is simple. I can save this product to my ZIK folder for easy access later. From there, I have 2 options. 1, manually add the product to my eBay store, or 2, save even more time by using ZIK's integrations with product monitors to upload it directly to the monitor and list it from there to my dropshipping store. To save this product to your ZIK folder, just select the ZIK folder you want to save it to. Then navigate to My Products. Open the folder where you saved it, and from there you can easily upload the product to any supported eBay product monitor that's integrated with ZIK. These integrations make it super easy to track your products and help you stay one step ahead in managing your inventory. These integrations make it easier to keep track of your products and ensure you're always one step ahead in managing your inventory. That's the eBay Product Explorer from ZIK Analytics, now available to you on your current plan. This tool is designed to give you unmatched control over product filtration and deliver results that can transform your eBay business into a well-oiled machine. Give it a try today and see for yourself just how powerful and effective this tool can be. We're confident you'll be amazed by the insights you'll uncover and the opportunities it will unlock for your eBay dropshipping store.